Hey everybody, Nate Rockne here, reacting to videos. So tonight I'm going to get into another Burgerkill song, and this one was requested by quite a few people, so I figure it's about time to check this one out. So this is House of Greed, and I know absolutely nothing about it, so without further ado, let's get into it. This song's got a really cool sound to it. It's not overly heavy, but it's still there's a heaviness to this song. But like I said, it's not super heavy sounding. I like the video itself of the guy eating the money bags and everything. It seems like every time I watch these videos, there's something that meets up with something that I've been doing recently. And I just watched the movie The People Under the Stairs. If you've seen the movie and you remember it, you probably understand where greed comes into that, where it's the brother and sister that own a bunch of buildings in a ghetto, basically, and they just collect as much money as they can and let the places go to shambles and kick everybody out, and they just make tons of money, break the building down, and then build office buildings. So they make a ton of money off of essentially the poorest people of the community, and then kick them out of their houses. Greed essentially is a big part of the movie. If you haven't seen it, check it out. People Under the Stairs, great movie.
I got
Yeah, this song is kind of giving me some Pantera sort of vibes. Got some squeals in there, probably not as many squeals as Dimebag would have, but I've heard the squeals. I love the squeals, the pinch harmonics. Yeah, it's, I don't know, for metal music, you have to have it. In my opinion, it definitely adds some flavor to the song, and the lead singer has got sort of a Phil Anselmo voice, especially when I heard him hit that one part where he went up real high. The song itself is super cool though. The video it's eerie, but it's cool at the same time. Yeah, I'm digging this song. This is it's another one of those songs that said, I think it said it was 11 years old, and in 11 years I've never heard it, and kicking myself for that. Man, I should have found this song a long time ago. Definitely got heavier there towards the end. Really dig that song. Like I said, some heavy Pantera vibes on that one, and I'm a big fan of Pantera, so this song fits into my wheelhouse of metal that I like to listen to. I really dig Burgerkill, and everything I hear from them has been unique in their own way. It's all the videos kind of have a pretty raw feel to them. I'm really digging Burgerkill. We're going to check out some more from Burgerkill. They have a really cool classic metal sound. I really dig that. That kind of brings back some of the things from my teenage years. Definitely have flavors of some other bands that I really like. I really appreciate you guys requesting this song, and I'm glad I got to check it out. So before I let you guys go though, I want to let you know about Buy Me a Coffee. That's where you can support the channel and make your own priority requests. I get to the priority requests within a few days generally, and I'll give you a shout out in the video. Now, if Buy Me a Coffee is not your thing, that's okay. You can still leave your requests in the comments. I'm constantly pulling songs out of the comments and adding them to my list. My list keeps getting longer. That's why the fastest way to get your request to me is to head to Buy Me a Coffee and make a request. You can scan the QR code on the screen or head to the description where I put a link to buy me a coffee. Click on the link, it'll take you to my page, and you can make a request there. I truly appreciate everyone liking, subscribing, commenting, and just watching the videos. It all helps the channel, and I truly appreciate it. So thank you, everybody. YouTube will recommend a video over here. If you'd like to, please feel free to check that out. And for everyone else, hope you guys enjoyed that. And come back and watch some more with me. Hey, thanks, everybody. Check out People Under the Stairs.